Today I will show you one of my secret trading strategies for successful trading with short-term options. I'm already logged in the trading platform of Pocket Option. If you don't got an account yet, you can sign up with the link in the description below. And yeah, I will show you how to trade successful. First of all, in this video, I will show you the theoretic part. I will draw you some technical analysis stuff on Paint, and then we will search for real-time examples of this strategy. It's very important to set up your chart with the candlesticks. I'm only using the candlesticks for trading. This is very important because you can interpret more informations on this chart. This strategy works in every time frame, so you can use like the 1 hour chart, you can use the daily chart, you can use the M1 chart. This is all possible with with this strategy. So for this example, I'm using the M5 chart. And yeah, let's start. I will show you exactly how to trade successfully. I opened here a new document, and I will draw you some chart here. So first of all, the market goes up and makes a new high here. Now the market goes down, makes a new low, goes high, makes here a high, goes lower and makes a low, and here it makes a new high and it goes down again. So what we can see here is a clear range of the chart. And this is so simple. I will mark this area and I will mark this area. So we got here two areas. It's important to watch an area, to mark an area in the chart like me here, not only one price, because sometimes the market goes above the highs, above the lows. Yeah, it's not price by price. It's most of the time a very important area of more than one prices. So you have to watch the price area. What you can see here in this example, this is a clear chart range of the market. And the most traders, if they see that, they sell here above and buy here below. I will write it here, buy here on this price area and sell here. And what I have to mention is, it's very important, do not trade in the middle. Don't trade in this range, into the range, because most of the time you will fail. I did it a lot of times and I failed to trade in this area. It's more safety to trade outside this area. Just mark the area, the buy and sell area in the chart, and wait till the price will go up or go down. Another important thing is that you see this here. You see this high. I will use another color. You see this high. The market goes up and breaks this high. Yeah, this is the price, and it makes a new price here. And this is very important because in these ranges, most of the times you see breakouts. This is a typical breakout. It breaks through the price and then the market comes back, yeah, in this range, because here are sellers left and they short here again. They just wait for the breakout to do that, to trick the market traders, to trick other traders, because the most traders think they can trade breakouts, but there come other people in the market and yeah, they trade against them. So if you see that, if you see a breakout, be very careful and yeah, trade against the breakout. This has a very high success rate. Unfortunately, in these areas, in the support and resistance areas, I name it here. I can write it down: resistance, yeah, and support. These are the areas to trade And yeah, you have to find these areas in the chart and mark them and just wait till the price come to this area, and yeah, you can start trading with pocket options. And what is also a big advantage of trading with pocket option and these short-term options, because you will see that the market often does only if you are wrong. Yeah, if you are wrong, the market will do a small correction. Yeah, the market will do this every time, and that's why you can be successful with this short-term options here on this broker, because the market always do a small correction in 90% of the trades, so you can get a very high hit rate. So let's find here on the trading platform a real-time example on the chart. I will watch here. Let's change it to this is at the moment not a good example. Let's change it to US dollar and Switzerland francs. I don't know how it called in English. Sorry for that at the moment. So let's change it to the 1 minute chart and let's have a look here. You directly see an example here. Yes, you see this clearly. I will make a screenshot for you and mark it. So this is very easy to spot. You see the market comes down here, makes a low. Okay, this is a low. You mark that, you see the market comes again to this area, makes a low. Okay, what we got here? We got a support. You can mark that. And if you see this bottom, yeah, double bottom, these two circles, and if you see the market comes again to this area, we can trade up. That's all. That's all what I do in this strategy. And yeah, we have here a high. This is an area. Yeah, you could trade here with this pin candle. If you see the pin candle, you can trade short. This is a very good technical analysis stuff. And yeah, what we see here is the market comes again to this area and goes short. Yeah, you could trade here short with this candle and make a nice win. So you see, it's not so difficult to spot these areas. Just if you have if you have two bottoms, two highs, you can mark these areas and start trading. So let's spot another. Yeah, you see this directly here. So next to it, here's a low. Okay, you see here it would be a fail. Yeah, the market breaks through it. And here is a resistance area in this part. In this time here, you see directly here, this price is very important. And if you see that, yeah, if you see that candle, you can go short here. So it's always the same in the chart. Let's have a look on other charts. There are no such big movements because of the holidays. There are not so big movements, though it's not so good. Okay, I will change it to a bigger time frame. So, oh, here is it very clear. Now I'm in the D1 chart. That means one candle has the expiration time of 1 day. And now we see here, it's very easy to spot. I can mark it. You can use drawing tools here, like here the horizontal line, and just change the color. I will make 2 pixels and add this here, and you see here it's very strong resistance, and I will add another line here, and you have a very strong support. This is a typical range. Yeah, I will mark it for you so you can spot these things very easy. In combination of the CCI of this indicator here below, you can use it for confirmation. You can start trading and make profits. So let's have a look here. We have the resistance here in this area. You see this clearly on these pin candles. The market comes here again, and now we see here a lower low. Okay, this area is very important. So I would mark this whole area and searching for trades. On the bottom it's a little bit more clearer because the range is more tighter. You see this. This is a typical buying range. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see 6 lows, and you could trade here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. With this strategy you could trade 4 times. Yeah, sometimes you don't make a win, then you go in again and double your investments to makes a profit. So sometimes you have to make 1 or 2 or 3 trades on this area, but this is typical for the market. So some trades will go wrong, but yeah, just make another trade and make it win. You see this really here. And if you saw that, if you saw the third low, you could trade here up. And this with a small option, with a daily option, a long-term trade of pocket option, the same on the upper level. So it's very easy to spot here. And yeah, if you see that, you are completely on a good space to work, on a good price area to work. Sometimes you have to search a little bit for these areas. Let's have a look on another chart. So I will delete this, delete all. And yeah, we classically see here another chart. Here is a very strong support and a very strong resistance. So the chart looks not so good because of the holidays. And of the weekends. You see here, this is resistance. And you see here the support. This is a clear range again. Yeah. And I will go into the 5-minute chart to show you that it works in every time frame. So we can zoom in to see it. So this is a very good example, but the market never come back. The market can never come back. I will mark this for you. You see this? Yeah, 1, 2, but the market never come back. If the market would come back here, I would trade up. Easy as that, I would trade up. And yeah, you see here another resistance, but not so clear. I would not trade this, but you also see this resistance. So it's always the same. The market comes to a price 1, 2, 3 times, and then you can enter your trade. If you spot these things, just practice this strategy and you will be fine and can make profit. You saw it in the chart. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel, and if you don't got a pocket option account, you can find the registration link in the description below and start trading. Goodbye, and yeah, have a nice day.